FASTFIX FLEX Meniscal Repair System. Reach more, repair more. For more than 20 years, Smith+Nephew has been pioneering and consistently innovating meniscal repair. In 2021, we added our next-generation FASTFIX meniscal repair system, the FASTFIX FLEX. Smith+Nephew is accelerating the standard of care toward meniscal repair. With our all tears, all repairs meniscal solutions portfolio, including the FASTFIX FLEX meniscal repair system. FASTFIX FLEX offers you the power to enhance accessibility, preserve anatomy, and increase reliability. Flex has curved and reverse curved needle options. The built-in protective needle shroud may eliminate the need for a cannula. Simply press the depth penetration lever to move forward and cover the needle before inserting into the joint. The Flex Bend tool enables guided needle modifications. Curved goes from a 24-degree angle up to 35 degrees. Reverse curved from -12 up to -22 degrees. Flex's shaft can also be bent using the bend tool to create a single bend or compound to achieve greater reach. Flex's curved and reversed curved shaft can be bent up to 80 degrees. Using a standard anterior portal, FASTFIX FLEX, like its predecessor, FASTFIX 360, easily reaches the posterior third. Now, with the power to bend the needle, Flex can repair mid-body tears. And the unique ability to bend the shaft allows access to the anterior third, extending reach to enable all-zone, all-inside repair across the meniscal body, and empowering surgeons to reach more, repair more. FASTFIX FLEX is designed to repair vertical tears, bucket handle tears, ramp lesions, facilitate a meniscal allograft transplant, and many more. The design of FASTFIX FLEX helps preserve anatomy. Comparing FASTFIX FLEX curved to FASTFIX 360 curved. FASTFIX 360 curved T1 and T2 implants are stacked vertically within the needle, while FASTFIX FLEX curved implants are in line, which creates a 25% smaller needle insertion area than FASTFIX 360. Flex deploys a smooth, low-profile PEEK implant that has about 20% less contact with the capsule and is over 20% stronger than FASTFIX 360. FASTFIX FLEX helps increase reliability. The ergonomically designed FASTFIX FLEX offers one-handed 360-degree active deployment. Flex lets you feel, hear, and see implant deployment. Less motion is required, making it easier to deploy implants with one hand. FASTFIX FLEX has reliable deployment after bending. FASTFIX FLEX empowers surgeons to reach more and repair more meniscal tears.